Welcome to our lecture online. Here we're going to explore the concept of white light. You hear that a lot. You look up sometimes, and especially with LED lights, they do appear white. But when you look at all the colors of the rainbow, there's no white in there at all. Let's take a look at a rainbow. Here we have red, orange, yellow. I don't have a yellow color, so I got the little orange dots in there to represent yellow color. Green, blue, and violet. But together, they actually form white light if you look at the light together. So the question is, how does that work? Well, we're going to do a little demonstration. So I put something together with the help of some of my kids. Here we go. We have a typical electric drill with a battery, and we have a cardboard disc here with the three primary colors. We have yellow, blue, and red, and they're very distinct. And those colors can be found on the rainbow. But what happens when I turn the drill on and this begins to rotate really fast? Well, let's take a look and see, and you'll discover where white light comes from. So here we go. And there you have it. And you put all the colors together, you get white light. So white light is simply a combination of seeing all the colors at the same time, and they will appear white to us combined, but individually they have their separate colors. So that is what white light is. It's simply all the colors combined forming white light. There you have it.